How to turn off personalized ads on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your personalized ads on your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your account. From here, tap on three bar icon on your top right, go to Settings and Privacy. Under Account, tap on Privacy. As you do so, you will see Personalization and Data under Personalization and Data. Tap Open it, then you will see Personalized Ads. Toggle that button off, and now you won't be able to see any personalized ads from TikTok. And in case you would like to turn on your personalized ads, all you have to do is toggle that button again. Once it's green, it's enabled, and this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.